Hi, this is Bruce, and in this video we're going to look at how we can improve the sound of a voice recording using the audio features in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I've recorded this obviously in front of Vanier College, where there was quite a bit of background traffic noise. Let's take a listen to a short clip.
Micromedia is a 3-year program where we focus on 3 things: graphic design, web development, and communications.
So you can hear there's lots of traffic, maybe a bit of wind noise, and this is despite the fact that I'm using a lavalier microphone connected to the camera. So I've created my in and out points. Let's drag this to our timeline, and you can obviously see we've got our audio here in the timeline. And now we're going to open up the audio tools by clicking on audio in the home menu. And when it opens, it didn't, but normally when it opens up where we can see Adobe stock audio tracks that we can download and pay for, but which are royalty free. But we're going to go into the Edit tab and then start our editing. So you can see we have the choice of labeling the audio as dialogue, music, special sound effects, or ambience or background sound. Obviously this is dialogue, so we'll click on the dialogue button, and then we've got our tools that have come up for dialogue. The big thing that I need to do is to reduce noise. So let's take a listen with and without the noise reduction.
Micromedia is a 3-year program where we focus on 3 things: graphic design, web development, and communications.
Let's listen again. So this is off.
Micromedia is a 3-year program where we focus on 3 things:
and on.
graphic design, web development, and communications.
So you can see already that's a significant improvement. Let's go and see if we can reduce some of that low background rumble now. So this is off.
Micromedia is a 3-year program where we focus on 3 things: graphic design, web development, and communications.
Next thing we can do is improve the clarity of the sound. So I'm going to turn clarity on.
Micromedia is a 3-year program where we focus on 3 things: graphic design, web development, and communications.
So with clarity on, we can hear that the EQ has been balanced to help emphasize those wavelengths where the voice is most active.
Micromedia is a 3-year program where we focus on 3 things.
And we can further make it vocal presence. We can further control the EQ by saying what kind of voice that we want.
Micromedia is a 3-year program where we focus on 3 things: graphic design, web development, and communications.
Let's try enhanced speech.
Micromedia is a 3-year program where we focus on...
That sounds a little bit unnatural to me.
Micromedia is a 3-year program where we focus on 3 things: graphic design, web development, and communications.
If we listen to this with those changes on versus off, we can see that we've already made quite a big difference. It's not great sound yet, but I think it becomes much more usable. So off.
Micromedia is a 3-year program where we focus on 3 things: graphic design, web...
And on.
Micromedia is a 3-year program where we focus on 3 things: graphic design, web development, and communications.
So you can see what using the audio tools right here inside Adobe Premiere Pro, we can do quite a bit to repair any background noise, reducing rumble, and some other things, and we can improve the clarity of our audio clip. I hope this helps.